I'm here on Executive Boulevard, right across the street from the Applebee's, as you guys can see back there. And you also can see lots of police cruisers here at the scene. Now, the information that I received was that a tow truck was stolen. The stop came to an end here at this location. There is one person in custody, the driver of the tow truck. The suspect is in one of the police cruisers here in the area. The officers are speaking with somebody there. I don't know if that is the suspect or not. Again, guys, remember that everyone is presumed innocent until found guilty in a court of law. So just because somebody is handcuffed, if that is the case, I'm not sure, does not mean that the person is guilty of anything. I am not sure if that is the person. Let me make it clear. La gente que habla español preguntando qué está pasando acá. Miren, estoy aquí en el parking lot adelante de Applebee's. Como pueden ver, Applebee's está allá. Estoy en el parking lot adelante de Applebee's. Me dicen que ese tow truck fue robado. Aquí lo pararon. Y la persona que guiaba el tow truck está en uno de estos carros de la policía en custodia. Pessoal que fala português já perguntaram o que é que está a passar aqui. Estou aqui no parking lot em frente ao Applebee, como podem ver, há vários carros de polícia. Há um tow truck que está ali. Dizem-me que é um tow truck que foi roubado, que foi parado aqui neste sítio, e o condutor do tow truck está agora em custódia da polícia. Não sabemos se é a pessoa que está ali ao pé desse carro branco ou não. Não tenho a certeza, não posso confirmar se é a pessoa ou se o suspeito está dentro de um dos carros da polícia neste momento. Yonkers voice, it's always on a job to let you guys know what's going on the streets of our city. Doesn't matter if it's raining, if it's snowing, if it's cold, or if it's hot. If something happens, Yonkers voice, it's on a job to let you guys know what's going on. Remember, I'm here as the story is developing, so there is a lot of information that I don't have. Sometimes I might be wrong, because I'm giving you the information as it's happening. So not everything is confirmed. As we can see, there is a police officer in that cruiser. They are talking to somebody in the rear. Very possible that's where the suspect is at this moment.